NCT,
Yeah, we ready.
fine arts and everything.
I saw the board, the entrance board itself is done very well.
Yeah.
Exactly.
Have they given a lot of opportunity for event management because
Nowadays, NCT has made it compulsory.
capacity exercises
We really
are
enjoy this activity.
Activity based.
And we have a big campus.
this Swachh.
We have an edu club under the edu club.
So this was a photography competition open for all the students of the college, and the members of the edu club they coordinated the entire program.
Got first
We do have albums which show
First prize.
of all the past 5 years actually. All the activities that we have done.
This person has been in the department
Yes,
of hygiene
right.
for 40 years.
Why this?
40 years, ma'am, because this
We
girl
have workshop on music.
actually tracked down this person and then took a whole biopic of this person. And
Where do you take the practice teaching?
Desi Bro.
yes,
No, no. In the same school?
no, ma'am, we get the permission from the DO.
That and then you have
This is research session. Okay, ready. Okay. Basis. What requisite?
Having some system always possibly clean and after research.
Exploring the research. Do the structure is there.
B.Ed students will take care of these swimming classes, and there is one girls lady fellow, Sangeetika Mishra. She will take care of the girls classes. At 4 o'clock sharp, we will start the swimming classes for the girls students. 4 to 5 is for the
How
beginners.
much you pay?
For beginners, we are paying 500 rupees as a registration charges,
Okay.
not for the swimming classes charges, just as a registration for a semester. A complete semester, we are taking just 500 rupees as a registration charges, and we are giving a separate identity card those people who are registered for the swimming as well as the fitness center also. We are having a fitness
Again,
center.
we advised to have this year plugs and all.
We are swimming. Before this swimming pool, we don't have any students who are represent our college at university or all India level. But after construction of this swimming pool, we are having every year 4 to 5 students, those who are represent Barkatullah University team at swimming competitions.
last year we had some outside
Yeah. Last year we are arranging.
But the response is not up to the mark.
Who told you there is responses?
No, 5 girls.
No. Representing Barkatullah University swimming team.
Okay.
There is only 8 students who are represent Barkatullah team.
Okay.
Barkatullah University team. So out of 5,
Because
out
this
of
activity
8.
is very
No, right now we are having 30 students registered.
management wing.
Just for the time which you are here.
System.
Okay.
No, it doesn't.
It's a white book. Any rupees.
Okay.
Those who are selected for the college team are not taking any charges. Not even the registration charges. Please take care of this cleanliness also.
I want to see research publication. दिखा दो मेरा ऑर्डर नहीं है मैम। No, don't rely on them. Our journal. We have your department, no? Yes, ma'am, department. Shall I take this? Exercise with the students because they are the second semester students, so they are very new to research methodology classes. So we told them whatever is your topic, you take a topic.
The very word itself is wrong. Evaluation on research methodology.
That is a subject name, ma'am. So to identify.
So you shouldn't give that.
Okay, yeah, we could understand that was our mistake.
Out of context.
Yeah, but we have to go. But it goes with your signature.
Yes.
It goes, you know what we do? We do ghost writing. No matter, we do have UG project, we do have PG project. When it goes with my signature, I will not allow my student to do anything of his choice or her choice. No, I'm just telling you what I exactly know.
Yeah, because we reduce the marks in there.
Not that.
Otherwise,
Then where is the learning there?
no, ma'am, we make them understand also, but right,
See, I'll tell you. The above analysis, 4 managers, 3 engineers and 14 workers agree and 1 engineer and 1 worker neutral and
Is
1
it
worker
for
disagree with
sampling?
statement. So totally 21 employees are satisfied with the equipment provided for training and only 1 employee is
thoroughly we
unsatisfied
should
with
know
this.
the research methodology. No?
No,
Because
I
we
tell
are
you, I have good interest in
responsible
telling you.
component.
That is the reason your publications are not strong. Now, if you are very serious about your students' project, each project can
We'll
become one.
convert into one paper.
Of course, collectively you can give credit.
Yes, yes.
Hello. Accession register.
Leaves and everything. Sleep और वो सब होगा ना? Stock maintain किया होगा ना? You have make in this budget coming year financial year. इस साल के लिए हमने क्या प्रोविजन किया?
Around 10 lakhs rupees.
अच्छा,
There is no
for this
constraint
year.
for the budget.
अच्छा,
We have
okay,
ample
fine.
budget. Missionary college.
या okay,
No, मैं आपको systematically दिखा रहा
हाँ,
हूँ. This is the area
या
and the carpet area and for the users. नीचे ग्राउंड फ्लोर पे जाएंगे वहाँ पर नहीं 160.
प्लीज have a look.
मैम बैठिए ना प्लीज.
हाँ
मैम ये देखिए, ये walk-ins
अच्छा
हैं।
9:1 ओके
ये मैम समरी है, ये टोटल नंबर ऑफ वॉल्यूम्स हैं राइटिंग।
टाइटल्स
ये
15,000
टाइटल्स हैं, तो ये रेफरेंस बुक्स हैं इतनी, और these are the magazines, print version, all volumes of जिनको ये dissertations हैं, ये DVDs हैं, तो ये हम लोग कनेक्टेड हैं, ये स्वामी
How
विवेकानंद
many dissertations you have?
dissertations 130, around 130।
From where?
मैम PG रिसर्च सेल में रखे गए हैं, रिसर्च सेल
Those are dissertations.
हाँ, डिसर्टेशंस
रिसर्च सेल में तो कुछ नहीं दिखा।
मैं होना तो वहीं रख पाएंगे, हम लोग तो वहीं रख पाएंगे जब डिसर्टेशंस पूरे रख पाएंगे, जो PG स्टूडेंट्स के
projects.
PG स्टूडेंट्स के जो मैम ये पूरा सब्जेक्ट
अच्छा सोशल साइंस के लिए 5,696 ह्यूमैनिटीज़।
अच्छा.
दो चार किताबें बताइए तो फिजिकल एजुकेशन की और एजुकेशन में
Now, how do you place books?
थ्रू आथर
No, 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 that those money for purchasing. Where do you get money?
पानी कहाँ से मिलता है?
फंडिंग कहाँ से प्राप्त?
और UGC से भी होता है।
Okay. Now the question is, suppose you receive funds from UGC, you receive funds from management. How it is spent judiciously?
मैम ये तो आपको अकाउंट
I
सेक्शन
can't-
जेम्स सर ही बता पाएंगे वो कि UGC में फंडिंग में उन्होंने कितना स्पेंड किया है और कॉलेज के फंड
I don't speak Hindi.
दिस विल बी क्लियरली
हाँ,
told by Mr. James, head accountant.
आपने उस फंड को कैसे यूटिलाइज किया
हाँ, ये वो भी
आपके पास?
बताएंगे, वो
See,
भी-
this year you have received 5 lakhs, just assume. Okay?
UGC आप कितना
Okay?
रिसीव
5 lakhs from UGC for library, equipping library. How will you spend this 5
मैम
lakhs?
हम क्या होता है मैं प्रोसेस
Please, sir,
No,
English.
English हिंदी
मैम we used to process books and then we have to surrender all the pages to the account section.
No, I am asking you, how will you process books?
The different heads in which you are going to, how are you going to divide which books?
मतलब आप कैसे ये किताब
This process I process the
नो
book.
नो 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 आप वो किताब सब है ना खरीदते
How
हैं
do
ना
you know as librarian which book to buy, which book not to buy?
Teachers give
Through
recommendations.
recommendations of the faculty members.
Ah, that's
वही-
what
वही
I'm
बात
asking.
है।
How will
वही
their
बात है।
one minute, I'm not questioning. I only want you to understand the process. See, 5 lakhs if it is received, you have to have a communication from the office given, or rather through you or from the management, that budget allotment for each department should go. From there, within that budget, those teachers will recommend the books
Teachers,
to the library.
there is a committee member, and all the faculty members used to recommend all the books regarding their respective departments. Then only the father used to approve it. Then only we place the
That is
confirm
what I'm
orders.
asking.
Then only
Okay. Then management. How do you differentiate the books purchased through UGC funds and books purchased from management
Ma'am,
contribution?
this question can be answered through the account section.
How do you have records?
very
He
clear
just
about it.
gives the आप
I
requisition देते
used to
हो
process the bill. Then he used to send. This is under his.
No, I'm asking you now. When you have two sources of funds, how are you going to keep a record of
Record,
the books
record.
with that fund? Is it UGC
He-
purchased from UGC funds, purchased from management
Yes,
funds?
there is a record. There is a record in the account section. Then he used to put a seal on the invoice and on the bill. These books have been, this amount has been spent under the UGC scheme.
Okay. How do you trace the missing books? Suppose some books are
So
missing.
how do you find the missing books?
Then we used to through stock verification.
How often it is done?
After 5 years, after 10 years.
10 years is too long. Too long a period. Then how will you replace it? Suppose a teacher takes the book and then
If the book is lost, we, the user, a student used to buy the recent edition of the book. Otherwise he used to pay the money.
how much?
The recent cost of the book. Recent cost. Recent cost देते man. बनाया कि मेहनत की तो फिर
No, I'm sorry. You are not comfortable with my English and I'm not comfortable with your language. So
Sir,
that's still
what
we
the
can.
Quran is very good from the beginning.
आपको कितने साल हो गए सर
Mr. Agni Kotri,
कितने साल हो गए आप
इधर ही पूरा समय इधर ही spend here.
पहले मैनेज में था
आगे भी
इंजीनियरिंग कॉलेज, फिर मैं दिस एरिया में फिर यहाँ
Ma'am, what is their process? They ask our teacher which books you want for your department, and they are providing the catalog. They are giving.
मैम ये देखिए, ये सब क्या रिकमेंडेशंस होता है, रिकमेंडेशंस उसमें जैसे कि ये देखिए, ये सब रिकमेंडेशंस होती हैं, ये सब रिकमेंडेशंस होती हैं।
नहीं, एक्चुअली 72 का इस्टेब्लिशमेंट है।
Is it possible to accommodate 1,000 students per day? How do you display the newer regulations?
This was last July, October. Mr. Librarian, one second. You are the librarian, huh? Is that off that over you have any issues?
सर एक बार डेट किसका मुझे मार्क्स पेमेंट भेजते हैं कई बार
These are all problems now. These NCR.
This is not the, this is not expected, no? अभी इतना सांस है कॉलेज में तुम्हारा, क्यों? ये दिस इज नॉट द वे।
40 साल हो गया।
ये ऐसा मेंटेन करते हैं क्या?
This is the list of books students issued.
हाँ जी.
इंटरनेट एक्सेस का है मैम, इंटरनेट एक्सेस।
Internet access system.
We just want to know that the number of books which are purchased in last.
हम कंप्यूटर्स पे दिखाता हूँ।
नहीं, वो तो ठीक है।
One is registering our email and we do collection against their cards. At the same time we are
तेच म्हणजे लायब्ररी सायन्स सप्लाय व्हायला पाहिजे ना आपल्याला. तुम्ही कुठून केलं आहे लायब्ररी सायन्स? नागपूरला कोण आहे? हाँ, ये I have seen it.
Any other records you would like to see?
What's your budget generally? Per year, per annum?
कांस्टेंट नहीं है।
Per year around 10 lakhs.
हाँ,
What was the budget for this
Yeah,
last?
yeah. Maintain the fees
इसमें
also.
बंधन नहीं है,
अच्छा।
कांस्टेंट नहीं है।
फिर भी आपने कितना का परचेस
मतलब तो
किया?
रफली बता देते हैं कि आप खरीद लीजिए जब तक रिकमेंडेड फादर
तो
को
कितना purchase किया?
अराउंड 10 लाख से। ये लगभग 12 लाख से ऊपर है।
एक्सपेंडिचर 12 लाख से
No, but
ऊपर हुआ है
I
इस
don't know.
साल।
I
सुनिए,
don't know.
एक मिनट अग्निहोत्री जी, आपके पास में हर साल के एक्सपेंसेस के आपके ग्राफिक प्रोफाइल्स कहाँ है? यू हैड ऑल द
आप
ग्राफ्स।
देख लीजिए कि तो मेरा तो
नहीं, कहाँ है वो?
ये सब लगे हुए हैं इधर आइए।
I get to, I don't know, I get down to, for example, you have no.
It's okay, अग्निहोत्री जी शांति से।
ये देखिए 10 lakhs, how many books you can purchase per annum?
इस साल कितने टाइटल्स
मैं
आए?
बता
16,
मैं
17
बता
में?
ये देखिए इतने
No,
में
wait, I tell you. You answer my question. You answer my question. With the 10 lakhs, and an average, how many books you can purchase?
एक बुक कास्ट अराउंड 450 to 550
No, an average, I know it varies, okay. Average, you go 500 rupees,
one book.
one book, okay. So for 10 lakhs, how many books you can add?
Actually, we have spent this much amount. Some
No,
books are,
yeah,
different books are very, very expensive.
No, an average, okay, 1,000 you put, okay, 1,000 average.
रिसर्च सेल का बुक्स बहुत महंगा है सर, स्टेट पब्लिकेशन का पूरा बहुत महंगा है।
Me too.
तो ये आप कैलकुलेट करिए, ऑनलाइन एवरेज निकालिए।
I'll make it 1,000 rupees average book. Oh, no, it not be 750. Then, I understand, sir,
उसमें
don't
उसकी
put.
100 बुक्स, उसमें 80 डॉलर्स के पाउंड्स की बुक्स हैं रिसर्च
Okay.
सेल।
So all this is in the last 5 years, you added.
11 से अधिक
No, I'll tell you. 600, 600, that was 8,000, 7,000, 8,000.
मैं वो ब्रीफ रिकॉर्ड वाला रजिस्टर उठा के लाइए, मेरा वाला।
So in the last 5 years, you added 15. Suddenly you
More
have
than
to
60 lakhs, sir. We have spent more than 60 lakhs rupees.
इसमें इक्विपमेंट्स कंप्यूटर और लाइब्रेरी फर्नीचर जुड़ा ही नहीं है. But where is the internet?
E-resources, अच्छा, e-resources.
नहीं, यहाँ पे क्या है सर?
मैनेजमेंट डिपार्टमेंट ब्रीज है.
Not suggestion. I am telling you the committee position.
Visiting all the departments. This is also
But the support service it comes to.
it is support service.
They want to.
Some of them are here, some of them other is given to them. Is informative. Okay? बाद आपके
You are a HOD.
will come to manage.
You are adding that.
Yeah, and this are same.
Regulations and goes to the academic council and they are approved.
Yes. No, in autonomous
But
college,
they
the
don't have
system
the
is built-
evaluation as what you are thinking about.
Sir,
It's not like that.
first of all, they have to constitute a committee called APEC.
I know.
APEC will finalize and they will submit it to the registrar of the university. Registrar of the university will call the syndicate member, the academic council, and they will approve. And then they will issue the
In our case,
letter.
it's not like that, sir.
Everywhere it is like that because it is the scheme of UGC.
For autonomous colleges.
For autonomous college, the same system you will follow. These are the guidelines of autonomous.
But then in our case, then we have our own industrial person nominated by us.
These are all otherwise individual chambers for the staff or what is this?
In one chamber, 3 staff.
Yes, chamber 3 staff.
Dr. Jati,
Yes.
can you identify your file? I
Yeah,
need to
mine
send-
is, I think, this is mine.
All those who have publications, can you please step forward and show your publications?
You should have taken them to economics because they can. I want them to visit those departments whose PPT they haven't seen.
ये जहाँ फादर लेके गए हैं ना उनको वहाँ ले जाओ. आपको यहाँ नहीं लेना है. आपको वो दोनों मैडम्स हैं ना. ये पंखा चलाओ भाई. उसको भी चलाओ जेम्स.
Yes. Yes. Indian finance is there in the list. Indian value is there in the list.
So out of 127 publications, 57 is yours. And yours not
Getting into the group.
Yes,
It is too late. This is a referee board. So that means you send it to your